Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Singapore is considering new rules to protect consumers after plunging digital asset prices triggered a series of high-profile crypto blow-ups, including firms based in the city-state. Russia's seaborne crude exports in the 7 days to July the 1st rebounded from the previous week's plunge, but shipments to Asia are slipping, even as flows are diverted to the country's Black Sea terminal to cut the voyage distance to India. World stocks rose in holiday-thinned trade, helped by a bounce in oil as concerns over tight supply outweighed recession fears. European stocks rallied 0.8% and Britain's FTSE rose over 1%, boosted by gains in oil and gas companies. The oil-dollar pair exploded 20% in the last session. The Williams indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 4.1% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's RBA interest rates decision at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0430 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 0335 GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. The French industrial output at 0645 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.